What will win in a drag race between a supercar from Italy with 12 cylinders or a hatchback from Japan with just 3 cylinders? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Car Wow, and this could be rather embarrassing. The Ferrari 812 Superfast has a 6.5 litre naturally aspirated V12 that puts out 800 horsepower and 718 Newton meters of torque. This drives the rear wheels only via a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox. The car weighs in at 1,630 kilograms. When this car was new, it cost over £260,000. The Toyota GR Yaris is normally powered by a 1.6 litre turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol engine that puts out 261 horsepower and 360 Newton meters of torque. However, this one has been tuned by Whifbitz. It now comes with a fully built engine that makes 630 horsepower and 430 Newton meters of torque. This drives all 4 wheels via a 7-speed bespoke sequential manual transmission. The little GR Yaris weighs in at 1,280 kilograms, and with all the upgrades, this one costs £130,000. Now this looks very similar to the tuned GR Yaris that I raced before against an Aventador SV. However, it is the same build, but it's owned by a different chap called Pete. Thanks for lending me your car, Pete. It's got a little less horsepower than the other car. However, I've just been launching it, and unlike with the other car where I had to feed in the clutch, which was a bit tricky, with this one I can just dump the clutch. So it could actually launch better. Now that 812 is owned by the same guy that owned the SV from the last race. So thanks, Ollie, for lending us your car. Let's see how that's going to do. So,
Sam, how you feeling? You feeling confident?
I mean, you've got all the skills to get a rear-wheel drive car off the line, but still, you know, there's only so much you can do, right?
Yeah, I mean, the standard Yaris is unbelievable off the line, so we'll have to see how that goes. But this is an 812. It is super fast, so who knows?
It's also super low because that's got a Gentini, or how do you say Gentini exhaust?
I don't know how any of those things are said. It's got an exhaust, I know that.
The exhaust sort of speaks for itself, so let's have a listen to it. Okay, right, so you have 12 cylinders, I have 3, but my 3 still sound pretty good, not quite as good as that, but have a listen.
That does sound amazing. It's like a little rally car, isn't it?
It is a little rally car, but I think it's got more power than a rally car's now allowed to have.
Yeah, that's a lot more than a rally car's allowed.
So shall we get on with it, see what happens?
Yeah, I don't know. It's going to be interesting.
It is going to be interesting, very interesting. Let's do it. Come on!
Oh, come on!
Woohoo! No, he's gapping me now. Oh mate, that was so close. So this car bogged down ever so slightly off the line, but what I am really surprised at is how well yours hooked up.
What I love about this and what annoys me about launch control systems is it cuts too much power. This is allowing so much slip and the car's snaking and it's just keeping the power going. I love it.
I think he loves it. Best 2 out of 3.
100%.
Right, this time I'm not going to just dump the clutch. I'm going to try like I did in the last car. Just slip it a little bit. So I'm not just going to boom, lift off. I'm going to see if that stops the bogging. It's close. Where is he? He's coming back! Come on! That is spitting flames! Where's my radio? I'm gonna have to shout out the window. Do you lose some traction?
I lost a little bit of traction and then it didn't shift up.
Oh well.
Again?
Yeah, again.
Okay.
1 each.
1 each.
Come on.
Come on, Ferrari.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh!
Come on.
Oh no! Let me get this. Struggling. Bear with me, Sam. I thought I was going to have you. Oh man, you just came back in the end.
What a car this is.
Yeah, but what about this? I mean, it's a little 3-cylinder versus 12.
Meh.
Nah. But wow, this thing goes.
Do you know, with these, normally they don't allow this much wheel spin, but this is just peeling off and not backing out. It's amazing.
So you had a good launch?
Yeah. Yeah, it's got a lot of wheel spin because it's got 1 billion horsepower, but it's good. Real good.
And did you know that you were going to beat me?
100%.
Really? Ah, come on, you were behind.
I was laughing the whole time.
Because you knew you'd just get me at the end.
Yeah.
Evil. Just evil. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Ferrari won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 10.6 seconds. The Toyota took 11.1 seconds. Our Black Friday sale is here, and there are some brilliant deals to be had on CarWow. BMWs, Audis, Nissans, Toyotas and MGs are all in the sale, plus loads of other brands too. And the best bit, you can save up to £8,100. So, if you're changing your car, then you've got to check out CarWow. Because there's nothing quite like knowing that you're getting a great price, both when selling your old car and finding a new one. CarWow makes all the stuff that's hard work about car changing, like the haggling, the no-shows, and the nasty surprises, a thing of the past, life-changing. Now, if you want to go to CarWow right now, I've put a link in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Alternatively, you can click on the pop-out banner appearing in the top right-hand corner of the screen now, or scan the QR code on screen using your mobile phone to go directly there. Car change, CarWow. Right, into a rolling race now. Second gear, roll on from 40 miles an hour. I'm not sure if this has anti-lag. Can't seem to get it to work. But what I'm going to do is hold up the brake a little bit and build up the boost pressure as I'm driving along. We'll see how well that works. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, that worked. I'm going to get into the quarter mile. I'm going to beat into the half.
The cat's got hard again, Matt, so it goes into this weird limp, lack of power mode.
Oh, I thought I'd won that. Why do the cats on that keep getting hot?
Because it doesn't have any cats, so I think the heat soak, there's a sensor there that he said they can't clear. It thinks that the cats are hot, but it doesn't have any cats apparently.
Won't it be making more horsepower then?
I doubt it. I'd say it's the pops and the bangs that it's doing, I would say, but I don't know.
It was shooting flames.
Well, perfect. There you go. That's all the answer you need.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, it's got me straight away. Oh. That was a rough change. Got absolutely dropped. That was a completely different story that time, Sam. Now you're not in limp mode. This went a little bit of a kind of misfire on one of the gear changes, which didn't help, but you were long gone. It's quite interesting because we did similar rolling races with another version of this car, another similar tune, against the Lamborghini Aventador SV, and that was much closer. That being rear wheel drive, you've got less drivetrain losses, and it's got more power as well than the Aventador SV. So I mean, didn't really stand a chance, this.
That wasn't a race, was it?
No, it wasn't. Drag racing was closer when it all comes down to the launch, but yeah, Okay, let's do a brake test to end on.
If you think for 1 second I'm not downshifting in the braking zone for this, you can fire me, because this noise is not being wasted.
You're not downshifting. Don't downshift.
You've got a sequential, you have to.
I'm just foot on clutch and braking. That's what I'm doing. You just do the same, please, Sam. I've got too many things going on here. I'm not professional like you. I'm like semi-pro.
Why don't we swap for the brake test?
No, we're going to stay in the cars. Come on. Why do you want to swap? You don't normally want to swap. You're in a Ferrari. What's wrong with you?
Because I reckon I can stop that thing really well.
Right, let's do it. Let's go into it. Let's get to 100. Okay, if you'd rather watch some of the drag races, such as the drag race of the other version of this car against the Lamborghini, then click on the pop-out banner or scan the QR code, or, you know, here we go. I'm literally out my seat. Oh, yay! I'm at my back. I can't get it. Did it miss you downshifting? Did it make a difference not downshifting, do you reckon?
It doesn't make a difference either way. It's just the noise is nice. I think this has done really well compared to that.
But what? Come on, don't take the one victory I've got away from me, Sam. What's the matter with you?
I thought this was going to fare worse against that. That's what I mean. But well done. Congratulations on your excellent braking.
Thank you. Now I know why you wanted to swap. Anyway, listen, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Thanks to the guys for lending us their cars, Pete and Ollie, nice one. If you want some other videos, click on the windows, and if you click on the CarWow logo, you can check out the CarWow Drag Race leaderboard, see how these cars quarter mile times compared to everything else we've ever drag raced. See you next time.